Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And you might remember this place. We're back.
In Coustaussa. And we're giving you an update on the restoration of this castle.
Let's go and check it out. We promised you and we promised ourselves that we would return to this castle. And return we did. Welcome back to the Castle of Coustaussa and welcome back to the tale of its restoration. This is an update on the video we did back in 2021. Click the link in the top right or in the description to see that video first and then jump back over to this video to learn what has happened over the last 12 months. We also won't recount the history of the castle here as we have already discussed it before.
We start our tour in reverse compared to last time. We first check out the large plateau. This will one day be home to a large orientation table and forest garden. To achieve that goal, the vegetation that had been allowed to grow freely these past decades had to be cut back. The result is a wide open area perfect for recreation, lounging and viewing the amazing surroundings.
We next make our way down the hill where an old and overgrown hiking trail has been cleared and new stepping stones are being installed. During the clearing, some potentially big discoveries have been found. We see remains of walls that might very well date back to Roman times, as it's certain the region was home to Gallo-Roman occupation. Further research will have to determine if it's really that old or a much more recent construction.
We continue on to the lower courtyard. Previously completely overgrown, we now have a well-kept path leading to the newly created greenery theatre. The vegetation has been cleared for the most part and brand new benches have been installed.
The entrance here is still very much at risk of collapsing. Reinforcement is high on the agenda and we can only hope that the works can soon start.
Moving along the lower courtyard, not much has changed, but work has been made in creating an easily accessible path for tourists. We can also report that the ruined pigeon coop lower down the hill hasn't been bought yet. The current owner still isn't interested in selling.
This year we visited during the morning hours instead of the afternoon. With the sun behind us instead of straight in our faces, we were able to have much better views of the upper castle.
Here ended our tour of the castle last time, at the edge of this wall. As a seldom exception, we were allowed to continue the tour past this point to show you more of this stunning ruin.
From this side, you can see the immense size of the buttress supporting the leaning tower. A little further on, we also get some great views of the tower that once housed the chapel. You can see the remains of the vaulted ceiling inside.
We are also finally able to see the north side of the castle. Feast your eyes on the enormous walls, as well as the base of what used to be a little turret, known as échauguette in French.
Seeing the inside of the northern outer wall is also a first for us. We see what used to be the head of a window in the outer wall. I think it's quite clear how much dirt has piled up here over the years. Hopefully they'll be able to clear the debris in the future and bring us back to the medieval floor height.
We'll end our little update on the progress at Coustaussa here. The work is progressing, maybe not as fast as they would hope, but slow and steady wins the race, as they say. Though it may not look like much right now, we were still amazed by the work done and the future of this project. This is still a really cool castle and location, and we highly recommend you visit it if you're ever in the area. Check out the description for more information on the castle.
Hope you enjoyed that little update of the Chateau de Coustaussa.
We enjoyed seeing new areas and seeing old areas being renewed.
We'll be back in a couple of years probably.
But for now, like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
We were the History Hikers. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
Bye!
Bye!